Today we're going to learn the chevron. We are using the 10-string method. First step you'll want to do is lay out your strings so they're mirroring each other. So my middle strings are the same, the outside strings are the same. I have one set done already, so I'm going to go ahead and do the next set. Whatever color's on the outside is going to be your top string as you move towards the center. So in reference to how we did the macrame patterns before, this side we will do 4s, this side we're going to do the P's. Your outside string is going to be the top string for all the strings going towards the center. Use the top string to do 2 4s to each one of these as we move forward. It works best if you have the bottom string in your left hand and the top string is in my right. I'm going to make a 4 just like we've done before. Flip that through, and as I pull it, I'm using my right hand on top and my left hand is holding that string underneath to make sure that that color stays on top. We're going to repeat that one more time. So I'm making a 4. The tail flips around. And I'm holding the bottom string snug while I pull the top string towards the right. So I'm going to lay that string to the side. I go to the next one. We repeat that till we get to the center. So I did 2. You can tell that it's 2. They look like a dot. The completed knot kind of looks like a dot. It should be the strings are kind of sticking out sideways. If it's sticking up, you probably only did the 4 one time. And then this last string, the pink one, is my center because there's 2 pink ones, so I stop right there. So I'm going to do this pink one. So 2 4s. The pink strings in my left hand, the orange string still in my right hand. And then that's where I'm going to stop at. So now I jump over to the other side. So now we're going to do P's on this side. So the green string is the first one that I do. So I'm going to do the P like you've done before, and then just flip that tail through. This time I'm going to hold the bottom string with my right hand and I'm pulling the top string towards the center. Just remember, always pulling towards the center so that hand will be on top. And then a second one. So I have the, kind of looks like a dot, the completed knot right there. So I'm going to do that to the rest of the strings, working my way towards the center. And then I am going to do this to the center string. So make sure you connect them when you're done. Don't forget that step. So the P. Flip that string through and do it again. And the first time you do this, the first set of knots, it will probably look wrong because your strings are kind of in whatever order they want it to be. But after you've done a couple rows, it should start to straighten out and kind of make sense. So then I'm at the pink one, so I'm going to do the last set right here, so a P, pulling it towards the center, second P. So now I have that top string, they're both in the middle. So orange was my top string, they're both in the center. I can do a P's or 4s, it doesn't matter as long as I repeat them. I usually just do P because it's easier because I'm already in that rhythm. So I'm going to do a P, and then the second one, and that should complete that V shape. So I'd repeat that all the way down.